today. I'm absolutely pumped. So, I just can't wait. I just have like all this excitement inside of me. You know what I mean? Like, I want to... I'm gonna go and like, you know, since I just moved, like I'm gonna figure out like all sorts of like, you know, all different new nature spots. It's gonna be great. I cannot wait. It's gonna be great. Just wait just a sec and I'm gonna show you an amazing spot that's not too far away. Actually, it's like pretty much by my work, and just a gorgeous view. Just another gorgeous view, even though I'm not by the ocean like I used to. Woo! It's great. So anyways, just wait just one sec. Here it is. So peaceful here. Just got my new spot. Right by a really beautiful river. I'll just show you real quick. Yep. Nice little spot. So basically I moved in, right? This small town. And it's so nice. People are just so friendly. Gosh, I love living in a smaller town now. It's only a town of like what, 50k people approximately? Just below 50k. And just like the first day I arrived, I already knew 4 of my neighbors. Already knew all their names, and they already, you know, they offered help. They already offered help to, you know, help me with my move and stuff. It's like, oh my God, you know, people are so nice here. They're a lot nicer than in, you know, in bigger towns, right? It's a very different mentality. I absolutely love it. Yeah, smaller town, friendlier people, and more beautiful landscapes. Whatever your nature, feel the fresh air. Feel the fresh air. Take big breaths. Feel the pureness of the air. Feel the bigger connection with Mother Gaia, with pretty much our roots. I just want to let you know you are loved. You are appreciated. And don't be afraid to be bold and go on adventures and stuff. Get out of your comfort zone. Maybe even move out of your current town. Just for some change, you know. If you don't like the current state you're living in right now, why not move? A lot of people are stuck in the box, right? In the box of the comfort zone, and you don't want to leave it. That's their prison. Their comfort zone is their own prison, and they don't even realize it. Or they realize it subconsciously, but they prefer to bury it down and just forget about it, and just, you know, keep on going on autopilot. If you feel pissed, if you feel, I don't know, ungrounded, nature's the way. Nature's always the way. Just the frequencies, the natural frequencies from nature, right? The crickets, the bird sounds, ducks, all the animals' sounds, all in nature. It emits its own frequency. constantly. And they're constantly in the flow state. So they're almost like projecting the flow state frequency around. And the more you surround yourself with that type of frequency, then you become it more, right? So you become more like the more, so remember, right? You become your surroundings. So if you're like, it's almost as if like, you know, Mother Nature, like it's your friend, right? And like you can hang out with nature as a friend, and then it can, you know, the natural frequency from it is just going to rub off on you, and then you're going to start to feel the flow state a bit more as well. Can kind of like drain the energy from all the nature around you and just kind of channel it in some way. I don't know, I've always found that like whenever I'm in nature, like the free flow of ideas in my mind go a lot easier. Maybe it can happen to you as well. Trying to find a couple of spots in nature not too far away from your place. Spend more time there. Analyze your thoughts. Start meditation. That's the best thing, to start analyzing your thoughts. To start really developing your intuition. Developing your sense of awareness. The more you develop your awareness, the more you understand life around you. And the less easily fooled by others you can be. You can be fooled less by others. You know, people that you can see through games, you can see through manipulation, all that stuff a lot easier. Because you step out of your ego. You step out of quote unquote yourself, or what you think is yourself anyways. And then you see a wider perspective. I think this video has been long enough now. So, sending you all the love in the world. Sending you all the peace in the world. Recharge in nature. Recharge your inner batteries, and don't be afraid to stay in the present moment. Whatever the present, whatever happens in your present moment. Summer is pretty much over. So you better get quick and get outside and enjoy outside while it's still warm, because eventually it's going to be cold. It's going to be colder. We're going to enter winter, fall. Take care of yourselves. The more you take care of yourself, the better your energy, the better your vibration is going to be, and the bigger the change you're going to be able to do in the world and influence people around you in a good way. So have an amazing day. I'm still going to be posting. Been posting a lot more recently, and I'm going to keep going. I love this new journey. I hope you stick with me for this ride. This ride to prosperity of your own individuality and your own dreams. Go forward. Peace. Sending you much positive vibes. love, and calmness. Have a great day.